Good morning, guys! Welcome to our Splash! So yung game natin for today, this morning is called Made You Clap. So ang mechanics natin, guys, I have a ball here. Tapos, pag binounce ko, you have to clap. Kasi kung sino mauling mag-clap, tanggal siya. Kung sino yung mga natanggal, sila yung next na magbabounce. Ah! Game. Ah! Late, ah. Ah! Ang honest nyo!